my dear students. I'm back with the chapter number 2, that is working with MS Access. In my previous session, I told you about how to create a database, and in this session, we'll discuss about how to create query in database and how to relate two tables in a database. So, before creating a query, first of all, we have to create a database. Here, I have taken the database with the name student. See, in this I have taken three fields: admission number, student name, student class. So now the time to create a query in database. First of all, suppose I would like the name of the student, I would like the name and admission number of the students to be displayed who are studying in class 8th. Are you getting my query? My question is, I want the name and admission number of the students to be displayed, those who are studying in class 8th. For this, I have to create a query. First of all, we have to go in create option, then query design. Here from the dialog box, insert or add a table, whatever table you have created. I have created a table with the name student, so I am going to add this table. Close this. From this drop down menu, add the fields whatever you have taken in the table. I have taken admission number, student name and student class. Now the query was, I want the name and admission number of the students to be displayed, those who are studying in class 8th. So to evaluate this query, I have to work in the criteria section of the class, because the condition is class 8 students will be displayed. So here I am writing 8. Then I just click on run option. See, the students, those who are studying in class 8, will be displayed. Suppose if I create a next query, again I have to go in query design. Again I have to add a table, then add fields. Now the query is, I want the name of the student with admission number 2. So I have to work in the admission number, so I will work in the admission number criteria. Admission number will be A002. Now run. See, the name of the student is Rajini, the class she belongs is 2, admission number is 8002. Third query I am creating, I want the admission number and class of those students whose names are starting with A, with the letter A. Again go in query design, add the table, close this, add admission number, add a student name and student class. Now the query is, I want the admission number and student class of the students whose names are starting with the letter A. So here I am working in the name section. I want the students to be started with the name A, and I have to give an asterisk. Here A will tell that the names are starting with A, and asterisk will tell that except A, the rest of the letters will come in asterisk. So we have bound a condition here, then that is, the names will start with A, and after A any letter can come. Asterisk tells the number of letters. So we will run it. See, the names that are starting with A will be displayed. So in this way we can create the query in a single table. I hope this is clear to you. It's time to relate two tables. Here I have already created two tables. One of the table is student and another is performance. In student I have taken three fields: admission number, student's name, student class, and in performance table I have taken admission number, term and marks. One thing that should be keep in mind while relating two tables is that one of the field in both the tables should be common. For example, here admission number and in student table and admission number in performance table are same. In student table, admission numbers works as a primary key, and in performance table they are working as a foreign key. All right, so this is the main thing that should be keep in mind while relating two tables, is that the primary key should be there, and the one of the field in that you are taking in one table, it should have the same field in the another table. Okay, now the time to create a query. So first of all, just go in create option, then query design. From this tab or from this dialog box, add both the tables. I am adding student and I am adding performance. All right, now close it. Now take the fields first of all of the student table: admission number, student name, student class. From the performance table, I am taking term and marks. Now I am setting a query in which I have to display the students of class 8th. Okay, so what first of all we have to relate these two tables. So for relating, we have to drag here this bar. Can you see this bar? This bar shows the relationship has been created among these two tables. Now the criteria is this. Now the query is this: I want class 8th students to be displayed on the monitor. I want the class 8 student details like admission number, school, student the name, term and marks to be displayed. So here I am writing in marks student class criteria class 8th. All right, now I am just clicking on the run option. Now see, the output is admission number A001 and admission number A006, student name Akash and student name Rajini, class 8th and 8th, term 2 and term 1 along with marks. In this query, we have created or we have inserted two tables data. Can you see? Admission number, student name and student class are the fields of table student, and term and marks are the fields of table performance. In this way, we have related two tables with the help of creating a relation among table student and table performance. I hope this session is clear to you people. Till here we have completed with our lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. I hope you will try this at your home. Thank you and wait for the next session.